Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to fix Brave browser when it's running slow on Windows. Let's dive right in. First, open your Brave browser on your computer. Once it's loaded up, look towards the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find three horizontal lines. Click on this icon and from the options that appear, select Settings. This will take you to the main configuration area where you can optimize various aspects of Brave to improve its performance. Once you're in the Settings panel, take a look at the left panel of the screen. You'll see several options listed there. Click on About Brave. This section will show you the current version of your browser and automatically check if any updates are available. Making sure your Brave browser is up to date is essential because updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes that can significantly speed up your browsing experience. Next, go back to the left panel and click on Extensions. This is where you can manage all the add-ons you've installed in Brave. Extensions can be incredibly useful, but having too many active at once can really slow down your browser, since each one consumes memory and processing power. Now click on Manage Extensions. This will give you a complete view of all the extensions currently installed in your browser. From here, you can control which ones are active and which ones you want to keep disabled. Simply toggle off any extensions you don't use regularly, or remove the ones you're not using anymore. Disabling unnecessary extensions frees up valuable system resources and can make a noticeable difference in how fast Brave runs. After managing your extensions, head back to the left panel and click on Privacy and Security. This section contains important settings related to your browsing data and cache, which can accumulate over time and slow down your browser considerably. In this section, click on Delete Browsing Data. This tool allows you to clear out cached files, cookies, and other stored information that might be causing performance issues. When the window opens, click on All Time to ensure you're clearing out all accumulated data from the very beginning. Then click on Delete from this device to start the cleaning process. Give it a moment to complete, as clearing a large amount of data can take a little time depending on how much has been stored. Once that's finished, go back to the left panel one more time and click on System. This section contains hardware-related settings that affect how Brave uses your computer's resources. Look for the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available and toggle it off. While graphics acceleration can help in some cases, it can also cause slowdowns on certain systems, especially if your graphics drivers aren't optimized or if your hardware is struggling to keep up. Finally, click on Relaunch to restart your Brave browser with all these new settings applied. Brave will close and reopen automatically, and you should notice improved speed and responsiveness right away. And that's it. You've successfully optimized Brave browser to run faster on Windows. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.